Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Python 3.13.3 on your Windows 11 computer, step by step. Whether you're just starting out with Python or upgrading, this video has got you covered. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Python website. That's python.org. Once you're there, click on Downloads and download Python. Once the installer is downloaded, go ahead and run it. Check the two boxes, and you can click on Install Now or customize the installation according to what you want. Click on Next. You can install Python for all user accounts on your system if you want. You can also customize the location from this window. Wait for the installation to finish. Once done, you'll see a screen that says Setup was successful. Click Close. Once the installation is complete, let's verify that it worked. Open your command prompt and type Python _version. If you see Python 3.13.3, congrats! You've successfully installed Python. Let us also run a simple Python command. Python also comes with idle, the built-in editor. You can also launch idle from your Start menu to write and test your first Python scripts. And that's it. Python 3.13.3 is now up and running on your Windows 11 system. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.